What we do as criminologists quite often is dependent on a set way of learning. We use interviews, or we do surveys, or we observe things. But using the game as a constructive tool, and that we went in and we asked people to design something and we all got involved in the process, that's helped us learn about life on probation in a slightly different way. What we started to see was that there were sometimes disjunctions or mismatches between what people said was important in their accounts of their lives, but what they made important in the game. For example, they talked a lot about the most important thing on probation being material well-being. You need to come out of jail and have somewhere to live and get a job. Yet then when it came to weighing what was most valuable in the game, they talked about emotional things being more important than material things. So it was like relationships with children, relationships with significant others. He said that's what really matters. You should get 5 points for a maintained relationship and just 1 for getting the job or something like that. So we started to see that actually, despite what people had said about the material things in life being really important to reintegration, what really mattered on the inside, deep down, was the kind of more emotional things to people. If we'd have just done interviews, or if we'd have just done a survey or something like that, we might never have seen that. It was only through the medium of play and through the process of designing and making and playing the game that we started to see there's perhaps more going on here than meets the eye.